Hello. Today we're going out. We're going out to eat.
At a friend's house.
And in a restaurant.
In a restaurant, you order what you want. Ask for. Order.
Now, what do I want for dinner? I'd like some chicken with some potatoes and beans. And for dessert, some strawberry cake and cream. That's it. Oh yes, some cheese. Delicious.
When you go to a restaurant, you can order what you want from the menu.
But you can't order what you want when you go to somebody's house. I'm hungry.
Would you like some beef?
Yes, please.
And me.
This is Nouvelle Cuisine. That's French. New cooking in English. Rice?
Yes, please.
How much rice would you like?
A lot, please.
Mary.
Just a little for me, please.
A little rice for Mary. Peas.
Yes, please.
How many?
Oh, just a few.
No. How many exactly? How many peas would you like? 5? 6? 7? This is Nouvelle Cuisine.
6, please.
Paul?
A lot, please.
No, Paul. How many peas would you like? Exactly.
Oh, 22.
Well, that was delicious, thank you.
Yes, that was delicious, thank you. But
Yes?
could you bring me a hamburger, please?
What? How much?
A lot, please. A lot.
A little, please. A little.
How many?
A lot, please. A lot.
A few, please. A few.
When did you last go to a restaurant? What did you have?
I last went to a restaurant on Saturday night and enjoyed a Greek meal.
I last went to a restaurant 2 weeks ago. It was a French restaurant and I ate mussels and salad.
We went to a restaurant yesterday evening And I had a hamburger, French fries, and a large glass of milk.
Today, Julia Marsh is in a restaurant. She is having lunch with a client of MAP Advertising. The client is American. The restaurant is Indian.
This is different. I can't see anything I know.
Can I help?
Yes. What's this? Lamb Rogan Josh?
Lamb with tomatoes and yogurt.
Interesting. And what's this?
Chicken with nuts.
Look at this. Help. Julia, could you order for me, please?
Of course. Excuse me. We'd like to order now, please.
Yes, madam.
We'll have chicken shakuti and lamb rogan josh.
Yes, madam.
And a vegetable curry. Oh, yes, and we'd like 2 portions of rice.
Anything else?
Yes, please. Could you bring us some Indian bread?
Yes, madam.
Thank you.
We'd like to order now, please. Could you bring us some Indian bread?
Would you like to order, sir?
Bring me a banana.
Say please.
Huh?
Say please.
Okay. Bring me a banana, please.
Say could you?
Could you bring me a banana, please?
We don't have any bananas, sir.
Could you pass the chicken, please? Thank you. Some chicken. Some lamb. Rice. And some vegetables. There. An Indian meal. Do you like it?
I like this lamb. It's delicious. But the chicken, whew. Sorry, no, I don't like it.
Oh. Would you like some more lamb, then?
No, thanks. This is enough. Could you pass the bread, please? Thank you. Well, we can meet tomorrow. Oh, sorry.
How was your meal, madam?
Very good.
Sir?
Great. My first Indian meal, but not my last.
Anything else? Fruit, Indian ice cream, tea, coffee?
Not for me.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, madam.
Could you pass the chicken, please? Would you like some more lamb?
Food.
Meals.
In a restaurant.
Dinner.
Lunch.
Sunday lunch.
At home.
Sunday lunch at home with a British family, the Robertsons.
Today, we 4 are having lunch together. That's myself and my husband and our 2 children, Duncan and Claire, and my mother-in-law is also coming for lunch today. Today I'm cooking roast leg of lamb, with which I'm going to serve mint sauce and gravy, and fresh vegetables, potatoes, carrots, and cabbage. For dessert, we're having apple crumble and cream. Our daughter Claire normally helps me cook the meal, sometimes to do some vegetables, sometimes to just do the dessert. The boys are away during the morning, but when they come back, they help with the wine, the setting of the table, that sort of thing.
Can I have the mint sauce, please? Thank you, dear.
It's very, very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
Claire, could you pass the juice, please? Okay, thanks.
Duncan, do you want some more carrots?
Yes, please.
How many would you like?
Just a few. 2, 3?
Yeah, 2, please. Sunday lunch is a special meal because we are all here together and we have more time than we would normally have at mealtime without the pressures of work and school crowding in on us.
There we are, eating out and eating at home.
And I'm hungry.
Me too.
So, time to go. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.